Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. This is Bharat. We have already started a series on previous year RRB JE questions, and this is the schedule, and we are uploading every day previous year questions on each topic. Here we have already uploaded LCM, HCF, and today we are going to upload number systems, average, ratios and proportions, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss, speed and distance, time and work. And also friends, many of them are asking for physics classes, and we have already uploaded. You can go to the playlist in our channel and you can view our all the 12 physics lectures, and also the remaining physics lectures will be resumed from 26th of Jan, and parallelly we will be uploading 2 videos a day. After the completion of the physics, we will be starting chemistry. After completion of mathematics, we will be starting biology in the first week of February, and we will be completing the chemistry and biology portion of RRB JEE. At most by February 10th, we will be completing all the reasoning, mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology, and you will have an edge over your peers who are going to attend the RRB JEE exam, friends. So please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get a notification. Without wasting any time, let us see the problem. After measuring 120 meters of a rope, it was discovered that the meter rod was 3 centimeter longer. The true length of the rope measured is. See friends, there is a meter rod with which they are measuring the rope. Here the meter rod is a kind of scale of 1 meter. Here meter rod in the sense, if there is no any units, it is taken as 1 meter. Meter rod is 1 meter, and they have measured how much? 120 meters. They have measured a rope of 120 meters. The measurement is equals to 120 meters. But later they found that it was not of 1 meter, but it is 1 meter plus 3 centimeters. Actually, this meter rod was not 1 meter. Instead, it is 1 meter plus 3 centimeters. So they were asking, what is the true length of the rope measured? See here friends, they have measured 120 meters. Or 120 times they have measured the meter scale, which is of 3 centimeters longer. So the extra which they have left is 120. That is equals to 360 centimeters. If you convert this, 300 plus 60 centimeters, 301, you have to remember that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 300 meters is equal 300 centimeters is equals to 3 meters. Am I right, friends? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 300 centimeters equal to 3 meters. Here 3 meters and 60 centimeters. They have already measured 120 meters. The true length is 120 plus 3 meters 60 centimeters, which is nothing but 123 meters 60 centimeters. Got it, friends? So it is nothing but there is a meter rod. It is nothing but a scale with which they are measuring a rope, and they have measured like 120 meters. And later they found that it was actually 3 centimeters long. Which one? The scale. So for scale, if it is 3 centimeter long actually, then we have to multiply how many times? By 120 times we have to multiply the extra 3 centimeters. So it will become 360 centimeters. 360 centimeters is nothing but 3 meters 60 centimeters that you have to add with the original 120 meters that they have already measured, which comes like 123 meters 60 centimeters. The largest number which divides 72 and 125, leaving remainder 7 and 8 respectively. Friends, we can use substitution formula, but we will see a method here. Here, if 72 and 125 is divided by a largest number, remember friends, largest number, then the remainders were 7 and 8. So first of all, we will subtract these remainders so it will be perfectly divisible. 72 minus 7, 65, 125 minus 8, that is 117. After getting the 65 and 117, we have to find the largest number. Largest number is nothing but highest common factor. Highest common factor of 65 and 117. The smallest number we take and divide the largest number. 65 ones are 65. The difference is 52. Then we will take the divisor here and divide with the remainder. 52 ones are 52, 13. Then we take the divisor this side. 13 fours are 52. The last non-zero remainder is the HCF. We will see the another problem so that you will be familiarized with this. The same kind of problem. The largest number which divides 81 and 108, leaving the remainder 6 and 4 respectively. See friends, there is a number which divides 81 and 108 such that the remainders are 6 and 3. Just remove the remainders from these numbers. 81 minus 6, 108 minus 3. What we will get? 75 and 105. We have to find the largest number which divides that, which is nothing but HCF of 75 and 105. We will find the HCF. 75 ones are 75. Get 30, twos are 60, 15. The last non-zero remainder is nothing but the HCF. Here the biggest number is 15. The same kind of problem repeated on the same day in three shifts on RRB JE 2015 on 26th August, friends. So I am going to solve this one too. So here the largest number which divides 247 and 319, leaving the remainder 7 and 4 respectively is. So first of all, take the first number and remove the remainder or subtract the remainder. Take the second number and also subtract the remainder. What you will get is 240 and 315. All we have to do is that we have to find the largest number which divides these numbers. So we will go for HCF of 240 and 315. How to find the HCF? I have told you. 240, 315. This is long division method, friends. 241s are 240, 575, 240, 75 3 times, 225, only 15, 15 5s are 75. So the last non remainder, that is 15, is the answer, friends. Let us see another problem, friends. the largest number which divides 125 and 187, leaving the remainders 5, 7th August of second shift, friends. So if we take the first number and remove the remainder, we will get 120. Take the second number and subtract the remainder, we will get 180. We have to find the largest number. In the sense, we have to find the HCF of 120 and 180. So by long division method, we will divide the 180 with 120. We get 60, 120. Bring back the divisor here and divide with the remainder. We get the last non-zero earlier to the 0. The non-zero remainder is nothing but the HCF. That is instead nothing but the largest number which divides 125 and 187, leaving the remainder 5 and 7. Why we have to learn this method? See friends, at times, sometimes it will not be possible to substitute from the given options. Sometimes it is not possible to derive the answer from the options given. Let x be the greatest number that divides 55, 127 and 175, leaving the same remainder in each case. Wherever we get the terminology like greatest number or largest number, greatest number or largest number, we have to find the HCF, highest common factor. Here numbers are given but the remainders are not given. They have said that the remainders were same. So to find the multiplying factor, so what we are going to do is that we will subtract the numbers among itself. Suppose we have 55, 127 and 175. We will subtract 127 by 55. Okay friends, and we will subtract 175 with 127 and 175 by 55. Likewise, we take 3 terms and find the HCF of these 3 terms. What we will get? 72, 48 and 120. From this we can write the common factors like 24 into 2, 24 5 times, 24 3 times. So here the HCF becomes 24, friends. HCF becomes 24. You can also follow the long division method by taking 2 numbers at a time. First of all, take the largest number and smallest number and find the HCF, and with that HCF you just go with the other number. It will be very easy. This type of multiplication and finding the HCF you will get with the practice, friends. Only with practice you can easily find the HCF. By taking the first number 55 and divide with 55, I am going to divide with 24, 48 and here the remainder is 7. That's what we have to find it. Okay friends, all you have to do is that if the remainder is not given, then to find the HCF you have to subtract the numbers among themselves. Here 55, 127 and 175 is given. You just take 2 numbers at a time and just subtract and take those numbers and find the HCF. Then you find the remainder. Okay friends, and this is one such of tricky problem where your substitution method fails, friends. Substitution method fails here. Why? Let us see the question. What you have seen, let x be the greatest number. What we have seen, whenever there is a terminology like greatest number or largest number, we have to consider the HCF. Okay, friends, highest common factor. So we have to find the HCF. Okay, this greatest number that divides 3739, 2270, 6677, leaving the same remainder in each case. For the question, the sum of the digits of x is. See friends, he is very clever. The examiner is very clever. He has given the question the sum of the digits of x. He doesn't ask the x. If he asked the x, then we would have gone for the substitution method. But he has asked the sum of the digits of x. Then your substitution method fails. We can't apply the substitution method. How? Here the reminders are same in each case. So we can find the HCF of the numbers of difference between those numbers. What are this difference? 3739 minus 2270. 6677 minus 2270. 6677 minus 3739. So the respective differences we have got like 1469, 4407, 2938. Remember friends, what we are writing? We are writing RRB JE exam, not PO exam. Okay, we are also attempting the CBT 1. There will be no tough questions. No tough questions. Here you have to anticipate. Here we can't find HCF for these numbers, but instead you have to see the pattern. This is something like 2 times of 1469, and this is something like 3 times of 1469. Am I right friends? So here the HCF of these three numbers is the first number. 1469 is the HCF. So at times you have to think that the exam will be very easy. Even the question appears very difficult, there will be a small clue within the numbers so that we will find the HCF or any answer within those numbers itself. Okay friends, what is the question? Sum of the digits. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9, 15, and 5, 20. So the answer is D. Okay friends, once again, if you see the question like greatest number or largest number, we have to find the HCF. If in the question, if the reminders are given, then you are going to subtract the reminders with the corresponding numbers and find the HCF. If the reminders are same, then you are going to subtract within those numbers. Okay friends, within those numbers, and we will get the answer. For this we have to find the HCF, and that HCF is the greatest number which divides those three numbers. Okay friends, here even though the numbers are very big, we can easily see that these are multiplying factors of the first number. So first number is the greatest common factor, HCF, and the question is like sum of the digits of the highest common factor. The answer is 20. This is again a similar problem where the substitution method fails drastically. See, as I have said, let n be the largest number. If you see the largest number, you have to find the HCF of the number that will divide 305, 4665, 6905, leaving the same remainder in each case. Here the remainders is not given, so we are going to find the differences among the numbers. Suppose we take 4665 minus 1305 and 6905 minus 1305 and 6905 minus 4665. What we will get? HCF of subtracting these numbers. 4665 minus 1305. It is 3360. 6905 minus 1305. We get 5400. 5600. Here 6905 minus 4665. We get 2240. 2240. As I have said earlier, we have to see the numbers before finding the HCF. See friends, these two are in similar pattern, 2240, 3360. Here I can write it 1120 into 2 times, 1120 into 3 times. In the similar way, this should be, this 5600 should be a multiple of 1120. If I am not wrong, it is 1120 into 5 times. Yes friends, it is right. So here the HCF is 1120 and sum of digits of 1120 is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4 plus 0 4. That is 4. 4 is the answer. So easily you can find the HCF of the numbers. See friends, you are going to write this CBT1 exam and you have to set your mind that the question you are going to face is very easy. By seeing the large numbers, you should not panic and the answer will be within these numbers. Okay. So other set of problems is like to find the least number. Whenever there is a least number, they are asked to find the common multiple or least common multiple. Okay friends, but then if there are options directly given, then we will go for substitution method. How to do this method, I will tell you. See friends, the least number which when divided by this least number will be divided by 10 or 15 or 18, then we will be left with the remainder 5. Remainder will be 5 in each case, they have said. Okay friends, so first of all take the first option, that is 85. So all we will do is that we will remove the remainder first, minus 5. Here the remainder is 5. Remove remainder, that is 80. Is 80 divisible by 10? We will check. 10 yes, 15 no. So first option is gone. Excuse me. So take the second option and remove the, subtract the remainder. We will get 85. Is 85 divided by 10? No. We'll take the third option, that is 95. We will remove the remainder, 90. Is this divisible by 10? Yes. Is this divisible by 15? Yes. Is this divisible by 18? 18 5 times. Yes. So C is the option. See friends, we have to check the options in such a way that we have to start from the least number. We have to check from the least number. Okay friends, even if the D option is satisfying our procedure, still we will choose the least number, whereas here 95 is less than the 105. Here the question is to find the least number, so we will go for the least values option. The least number which when divided by 8 and 12, leaving the remainder 5 in each case. So we will select the least number, that is 19 here. 19 minus 5, we get 14. Is this divisible by 8? No, we will take the second option. 29 minus 5, we will get 24. Is this divisible by 8? 8 3s are 12 by 12, 12 2s are. So this is the answer. So let us see the similar problems. The least number which when divided by 15 and 20, leaving the remainder 9 in each case. If we take first number, that is the least number 65, if we divide by 9, subtract by 9, we get 51. 51 is not divisible by 15 or 20. If we take 65, we will get 56, again which will not be divided by 15 or 20. So if you take 69, 6 minus 9 is 60. It can be divided by 15 and also by 20. 15 fours are 20 threes are. So C is the answer. The least number which when divided by 15 and 18, leaving the remainder 6 in each case. If we take 84, 84 minus 6 is 58, which cannot be divided by 15. If we take 96, 96 minus 6, which is 90. 90 can be divided by 15 and also by 18. So B is the answer. See friends, why I am teaching the same method of 3 problems or 4 problems. There are some people who, for them, one problem is not enough to understand the concept. If you are clever enough to understand, then it's good for you. But for the other people, I am explaining 3 to 4 problems, and all these problems are from RRBJE 2015 and 2014. These questions have come from RRBJE friends. So even if you do this problem, who knows, might be the same problem may be repeated in the exam. So friends, let us see another problem. Here 2 power 2n minus 1 is equals to 1 by 8 power n minus 3. We have to find the value of n. Here if we take the left hand side as it is and right hand side, if we bring this 8 power n minus 3 to the numerator, we have to multiply the power by minus by the property a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m, or vice versa. We are bringing 8 power n minus 3 to the numerator. Here we know that 8 is nothing but 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. We are substituting it here. 2 cube into minus n, multiplying the minus, we are bringing it into the bracket, minus n, minus into minus plus 3. So we will get 2 power minus 3n plus 9. 2 power 2n minus 1. If bases are equal, then the powers can be equated. So 2n minus 1 is equals to minus 3n plus 9. minus 3 and bringing to the left hand side, we get 5n is equals to 1. Taking it to the other side, 9 plus 1 becomes 10. From this we can get n is equals to 10 by 5, that is 2, friends. There is another simple problem. The point of bringing this problem to your notice is that I want to say that this is the level of the RRB JE. You can expect these kind of simple questions in RRB JE. So we are going to multiply. All you have to do is that you have to place the decimal points in alignment and add this 1, 2, 3.1. So answer is 1.321. So friends, I have covered all the models in the number system which we have got in the previous years, like RRB JE 2015 and 2014, and I have explained extensively. Tomorrow we are going to see other topic. Please subscribe to our channel, and we are taking more in to help you. Please like this video.